Meaning of learning difficulties.
Learning difficulties.
Learning difficulties.
Learning difficulties.
Learning difficulties. Learning difficulties refers to a condition or situation where an individual experiences significant challenges in acquiring knowledge, skills, and/or information, especially in the traditional classroom setting. Common examples of learning difficulties include dyslexia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, ASD, and dyscalculia. Such conditions may affect an individual's ability to learn at the same pace as their peers, or may require specialized support or accommodations to facilitate learning. It is important to note that learning difficulties do not reflect a lack of intelligence or effort on the part of the individual experiencing them.